Hey, it's Nick from iMusician. We're super excited to be kicking off 2023 with a makeover here and to be celebrating that with you. The music industry is always evolving, creating new opportunities and challenges for musicians, and we too are moving with the times, which is why we've decided to make releasing music cheaper, easier, and more powerful than ever by enriching our standard offer with 2 exciting new subscription plans, AMPLIFY and AMPLIFY Plus, and lowering the prices for your next release. With AMPLIFY and AMPLIFY Plus, you now have the opportunity to level up even more with exciting features like Artist Hub Pro Plus, pre-saves, music analytics, one-to-one support, and much more, and you only pay for what you actually need. Whether you're an established musician or are just getting your music career started, as the only distributor offering truly unlimited distribution, our plans are specifically designed with you in mind. Fully transparent, always flexible, and unlike with other distributors, you only pay once to keep your music online forever. Always generating streams and royalties, no annual fees. If you'd like to get more from your release, then our brand new AMPLIFY plan will be the perfect choice for you. With AMPLIFY, you can distribute your music to as many shops as you'd like, and you can specify specific countries and regions where you would like your music distributed. Additionally, you can keep more money with a lower commission rate of only 5%. You can discover your potential with our music analytics tool. You can master YouTube with our premium support, promote your brand and get more streams with Artist Hub Pro, and get help fast with direct email support from our artist and label relations team. Now, if you're an artist or label out there who is serious about maximizing every release so that you can grow your fan base, earn more streams, and discover your full potential, then look no further than our AMPLIFY Plus subscription. AMPLIFY Plus will offer you the ultimate set of tools from which you can benefit at every step of your career, whether you're a beginner or an experienced veteran with a huge catalog. You'll gain access to the widest range of download and streaming platforms worldwide, including premium electronic stores such as Beatport or TrackSource, as well as the ability to distribute releases in the classical genre. In addition to all the features of AMPLIFY, with AMPLIFY Plus, you keep 100% of your revenue with 0% commission. You have the ability to take your artist brand to the next level with Artist Hub Pro Plus. You can create buzz with our pre-save pages, get playlisted with our premium playlist pitching service, and get direct email support from our artist and label relations team in just 1 working day. Curious how to get started? Hit the link in the description to discover how to amplify your next release.